Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass MCQs test of Gotranscript. So, first of all, you must read Gotranscription guideline rule. This will help you during the exam. This guideline is very important. You need to read this guideline 1 to 2 times all the way to the end. So, during the audio exam, this will help you a lot. So in this video, we talk about MCQs test, and let's start the MCQs test first. And first question is, what do you have to do when a person agrees on something saying this, yeah, or okay in clean verbatim? So we simply check in transcription guideline page using Control plus F command, and you see, yeah, must be written as yes, alright, must be written as alright. Never spell okay or okay, okay, okay. It must be spelled as this, okay, O-K-A-Y, okay, in this way. So according to the transcription guideline rules, second option is correct. And second question is, I have dash and dash. So in transcription guideline, you simply check, you see in numeral section, you must be read money in this way: $1, 1.5 million, $1,000, and so on. So according to the transcription guideline, C option is correct. So second question answer is C. Third question is, if there is an etc. in the audio, what should you do? So etc. Simply check in transcription guideline and you see etc. Do not remove the word etc. unless the client asks otherwise in the comment section. So transcribe etc. as a part of the audio. This option is correct. Other two option is false. And fourth question is, how do repetition look in full verbatim? So simply check in full verbatim section about repetition. Move up and the full verbatim section. This one, repetition. I went and then single dash, then I went to the bank last Friday. So in full verbatim, this single dash is used. So according to the transcription guideline rules, C option is correct. Next question is 5, and question is, what is the rule about slang word in clean verbatim? So we simply check in clean verbatim about slang word. So slang word must be written as got you instead of gotcha, going to instead of gonna, want to instead of wanna, because instead of cause, etc. So This slang word is apply. So first option is correct. Fifth question. The correct form of timestamping is, simply check in transcription guideline rules, and timestamping time format must be in this way and always in bold. So C option is correct according to the Gotranscript guidelines. Seventh question is, how should you the names of films, books, magazines, song title, artworks, plays, TV and radio program? So we simply check in transcription guideline and italicize film, book, magazine, song title and so on. According to the transcription guideline rules, there are three different options and correct option is B. It should be italicized. Its question has around 7,20,000 permanent inhabitants. There is four different options and correct option of its question is first one. Ninth question is, why is it important to pass the test on your own and without anybody help? It will study guideline after I get an account and start working on the implants. So ninth question answer is B. Knowledge of code transcription guideline is a must while working at Gotranscript. If you cannot pass the test on your own, how can we accept to be successful worker at a Gotranscript? Also, if you cannot provide quality work, you will be removed from the team. 10th and last question is, what is the types of timestamping? We simply check in transcription guideline rule. Timestamping is two types, every 2 minutes and every time the speaker change. So according to the transcription guideline rules, every 2 minutes and change of speaker. So these option is correct of 10th question. After all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description. There is a link for audio test. I hope this video is helpful for you, and please like this video and also do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.